Okay, boys and girls, we're going to watch this video and see what shapes we can find.
Hop in the door. Find a, draw one more.
Okay, what shape is this? I see it has 4 sides and 2 of them are the same and 2 of them are different. So we call that a rectangle. Okay, where can you find a rectangle in the picture? Good, I see lots of rectangles. There's one on the sign, on the bench, on the tree. Even the birdhouse is shaped like a rectangle.
Rectangle. Hop in the door. Find a, draw one more.
Okay, boys and girls, what shape is this? This one only has 3 sides. Good, it's a triangle. Oh, I see triangles here next to the saddle. I even see triangles on the door. I see some really tiny triangles on the fence. How many triangles can you find?
Triangle. Hop in the door. Find a, draw one more.
Okay, what shape is this one? I see 0 sides. It has a curved line. We call this a circle. Good. Okay, where can you find circles in the picture? I see some on the center of the flower, on the door. I see a circle on the birdhouse. Even the trees are kind of shaped like circles, and the sun.
Circle. Hop in the door. Find a, draw one more.
What shape is this? I see 4 sides and they're all the same size. So we know that must be called a square. Good. Oh, I see lots of squares. How many can you find? I see some on the ladders, on the hopscotch, on the door, even on the big playground.
Square.
Okay, boys and girls, really quick, let's practice saying the name of all of our shapes. Up in the top corner here, we have a circle. Next to the circle, I see 4 sides. 2 are the same and 2 are different. This is a rectangle. Good. Over here, I see 3 sides. This we call a triangle. And our last one over here has 4 sides that are all the same size. So we call this a square. Nice job, boys and girls. Good practicing.